Hey guys, it is Info Girl. I hope everyone is doing great. And if you are new here, then welcome. But we're going to go ahead and get right into it. So today I will be bringing you guys some information that could possibly help you get a credit card limit up to $50,000 with no credit or with bad credit. So today we have a lender by the name of Atlas. Now, the good thing about this credit card is there is 0% APR and high approval rates, which means they make it easy for people with no credit history or with bad credit to get approved. Now, they also offer safe spending limits that grow with you. You can also save $1,850 every year on an average. There is no credit history or income required. Now, the application is very simple. To get started, all you need to do is put in a valid phone number. Okay. Now, a good thing about this credit card is this is like no other traditional credit card that only approves 16% without an existing credit history. Atlas has up to 5 times higher approval rates and growth with you. So, again, the application process is very simple and straightforward. It takes less than 2 minutes to apply and to get approved. Now, all you have to do is connect your bank account to get a spending limit you can afford. So, if your income roughly is $1,000 a month, that means you could get a limit between $200 to $500 depending on your income and what your bank statements are saying. Now, you can also set up auto pay to never build a large balance. So, again, you might want to stay in between your spending limits, which that will help. Now, they do report on time payments to all three credit bureaus. Watch your credit score build while getting cash back and perks. Now, the good thing about this credit card is, again, 0% APR. So you never pay interest, safe spending limits that grow over time, verify income, or make a deposit for a higher limit. Build credit with Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. And they also offer full liability and fraud protection. Now, another great thing about this credit card is they have some really great cashback rewards. They have 3% cashback on gas, food delivery, coffee shops, and more. They also offer 5% cashback on subscriptions like Netflix, Hulu, and many more. Now, you can also get 10% cash back from 50,000 plus stores, and you can also earn up to 100% cash back on lucky swipes. Okay, now you can also save on your bills with your phone and internet and your insurance. Now, there is no hard credit pull, pay stubs, or any other hoops to jump through to be able to be approved for this credit card. Now, there is a simply price and fee that is only $8.99 a month. Besides that, there is no hidden fees or surprise fees whatsoever. Now, another good thing that this credit card offer is cell phone protection, extend warranty protection, built-in auto rental coverage, which I think is always great. And they also offer emergency assistance when you are traveling. So if you guys are looking for a credit card with a high limit and that can help you build your personal credit, this could be the card for you. And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe button and the notification bell so every time I post a new video, you could be notified.